Let me repair this light today. How about?
Well, my people, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Shites. Last year on this one, you can also call me the special star. Are you feeling me? Okay. Are you feeling me? Feeling me? Feeling me? Are you feeling me? Feeling me? No way. Are you feeling me? Feeling me? Feeling me? Are you feeling me? Feeling me? No way. Are you feeling me? Feeling me? Are you feeling me? Joy? Feeling me? Are you feeling me? Feeling me? Are you feeling me? No way. If you love me, blood, I love you. If you love me, sister, I love you. For this life, no be everybody love me. And I don't give a damn if you hate me. Want it for sure, you know if you change me. Every blessing day, I dey pray for blessings. Papa God go bless me, go bless my mommy. God bless me, go bless my family. God bless me, go bless my fans. God bless me, God bless.
Hope, what do you think you are doing?
It's like you know they see. You see how they repair light, you still they ask.
Hope, come down from there.
How people will get light, why we know we get light?
See, you are not an electrician. Come down from that place.
So you don't know. Wait and see now. I will repair this light and you will see. I am a professional electrician. People that know call me PE. Professional electrician.
Hope, leave that wire.
Leave me. I can even play with wire if you don't know.
So, me, I don't tell you, Mr. P.
I'll do this thing. Come on here.
Hope! Hope, are you okay? Did that shock you?
No. Just happy that
What are you giving me flyer for? Oh, my man says Xmas. Happy Xmas to Mr. P. Professional electrician.